Could inflammation be the underlying cause of my fatigue, aches, and bloating? These could be signs of inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems. A healthy diet filled with anti-inflammatory foods can help. Let's explore how to douse the fire within and reclaim our health. Simple dietary changes can reduce inflammation and improve well-being. It's about feeling lighter, more energetic, and in control of our health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Inflammation is our body's natural defense mechanism. It's like a helpful firefighter rushing to put out a fire. When we get injured or sick, our immune system triggers inflammation to fight off invaders and repair damaged tissues. This acute inflammation is beneficial and necessary for healing. However, when inflammation persists over a long period, it becomes chronic. This chronic, low-grade inflammation is like a fire that keeps smoldering, causing damage to our bodies over time. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems like heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. The modern diet, high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, contributes significantly to chronic inflammation. These foods act like kindling, fueling the fire within. The good news is that we can control this inflammation through our food choices. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into our diets, we can effectively combat chronic inflammation and reduce the risk of these chronic diseases. It's like dousing the fire with a steady stream of water, calming the flames and promoting healing. Nature has provided us with a powerful arsenal of anti-inflammatory foods. These foods are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and other nutrients that help extinguish the flames of inflammation. Think of these foods as your firefighting superheroes. Let's meet some of our heroes. Berries are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which fight inflammation and protect our cells from damage. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. Adding these anti-inflammatory superstars to your plate is easy and delicious. Toss berries into your yogurt or oatmeal, enjoy grilled salmon with a side of roasted vegetables, or drizzle olive oil over your salad. Remember, every bite counts. Deliciously simple anti-inflammatory recipes for every day. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Here are 2 easy and delicious recipes that incorporate anti-inflammatory ingredients. First up, the Berry Oatmeal Power Bowl. Combine half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of mixed berries, a quarter cup of chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy cold or warm. Next, Mediterranean salmon with roasted vegetables. You'll need 1 salmon fillet, 1 cup of broccoli florets, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and herbs. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the vegetables with olive oil and herbs. Spread them on a baking sheet and add the salmon. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Get creative and experiment with different anti-inflammatory ingredients. Embrace the Change Your Journey to a Healthier You. Remember, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods is not about deprivation. It's about making choices that nourish your body and reduce inflammation. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Start by adding 1 or 2 anti-inflammatory foods to your diet each day. Listen to your body. As you reduce inflammation, you may notice you have more energy, less pain, and improved digestion. These positive changes will motivate you to continue on this healthy path. Embrace the journey. Cooking and eating should be enjoyable experiences. Experiment with new recipes, explore different flavors, and have fun with it. Remember, you're not just changing your diet, you're changing your life.